definitions to Teo Techno. Now, in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the GoJo from the TV ad from like 2012. And the guy who made this was Joe Glay. Yeah, I almost forgot his name. And I just like looked it up. But yeah, the reason why the box is already kind of open is because, for one, I bought this off of eBay because apparently you can never find this fucking product anywhere. But yeah, I didn't really know what the fuck it was because at first it didn't even came like this. It came in like a fucking wrapping paper, you know, like Christmas wrapping paper. That's what it came in, and then this was like underneath. I don't know why. I was like really skeptical of like, is this a fucking bomb on my fucking porch? Like I actually didn't know what the fuck this was or what to expect. So I opened this up, and yeah, I didn't fully open the GoJo, of course, but you know, I just took off the bubble wrap and I'm like, oh, it's this. Okay, for sure, you know. But anyways, yeah. So let's unbox it, shall we? Let's unbox it, and we will also just test it out, of course. So whoever shipped this, I forgot his name, but anyways, the person who shipped this really did a good job. I want it. Jesus. Alright, get that box out of here. Ah. Look at this. Get the fuck out of here. Alright. Well, there it is, and there he is. This man right here. Oh, by the way, it is a 2-pack. You can only get 2-packs apparently. I don't know why. I only wanted one, but you can only get 2. Alright, let's open this bad boy up and test it out, shall we? You know what really sucks about this is I hate this kind of packaging though. This like plastic shitty packaging. Because it's just fucking impossible. Oh god. That is why I have scissors. Oh. Nice. Damn. Damn you, boy. Can this fucking... Okay then. Oh, right. Not enough yet. Alright, cool. Alright, well, here it is. Here's the headset. It's, you know, literally just weighs like an ounce. Not even probably the... there's a suction cup right here to suction to your phone, so let's test this out, shall we? Alrighty. So now that I switched to the other camera, I should have brought my phone up here. Alright, so you know, in the video they said 1 Mississippi, and it goes on like that. At least it should. So let's just, you know, try that. I guess, I don't know. What the fuck? Alright, hold on. Alright. Trying to get a fucking good grip here. Alright, dude, this isn't even 1 Mississippi. This is like 5,000 Mississippi. Let's try to do what he did. 1 Mississippi. Bruh. This doesn't feel comfortable. apparently you can just be talking to someone on the road like this. Yeah, so I'll hold your call, man. Yeah, hold my call. Yeah, fucking you dummy dumb. Yeah. Like, bro, how the fuck are you supposed to just be while you're driving? You go like, oh, wait, I'm getting a call. One Mississippi. Like, bro. I kind of works, I guess. For the most part. Not really. I mean, I guess. What the fuck? Alright, you know what? You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna test the weight of a 5 pound laptop, because this is this supposedly can hold a 5 pound laptop. I'll be right back. Alright. Well, I got my computer right here. My 5 pound laptop. This is a shitty laptop. EliteBook 2570p. This is what this is. Pretty shit. It was made this fucking laptop was made the same year this came out, apparently in 2012. It's fucking 10 years old. I know, I need a fucking new computer. That's besides the point. I looked up the weight of this, and it's supposedly like 4 pounds really, but yeah, let's see. Alright. It can even hold the weight of your 5 pound laptop. Oh, yeah. How are you supposed to do this? Yeah, I got you. Wait, yeah. Let's do this. And then, yeah. Wait, yeah. What the fuck is the point of this? I'm trying to see if it will hold. I just don't know how I'm supposed to do it. It can even hold a 5 pound laptop. I want to put my shoulder down, and I'm going to. No, it doesn't. It really doesn't. Nope, that's a lie. Does hold a phone, sorta. Don't know why you'd be holding a laptop, but yeah, that's that. One Mississippi. Dog, what the fuck? Interesting. I think we should test this on the road, shall we? You know? One Mississippi. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna hold your call right now, yeah? I don't think people understand that there's a thing called speaker on phones, so you can just have your phone in your lap and just fucking, drive while the speaker's on, I mean, I know it's illegal to, be on a call while driving, but, things like this and, things like, speaker headsets, or whatever, Bluetooth shit, that's, it's like a fucking pretty much hack to, fucking go and, answer the phone while we're driving. So, yeah. I'm gonna get one of my friends to try to call me. And, yeah, we'll see how that goes. Oh, no.
Alright. I'm in my car. Looks like one of my boys is already calling me, so let me just do this. Shut the fuck up, call. Alright, one Mississippi. One Mississippi. God damn it. Hello?
What?
Yo, what's up?
How was that one Mississippi about?
I'm testing out, I'm trying to test out this product, dude. It's called the GoJo. It's literally like it's a headset that you can like attach to your phone, supposedly. And it's supposed to take 1 second to do while you're driving. But it didn't work out because apparently you know, it just slipped out onto my lap. It worked for like half a second.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of blown my mind.
Alrighty then.
Here, I'm blah. Whoa, the headset is stuck in my steering wheel. God damn it. Okay.
So is that it?
Hold on. I'm gonna try to stick to my head again. Alright. One Mississippi. Hey, now it's staying on. Let's go. Can you still hear me?
Yeah, sort of.
Oh. Oh, yo, what's up?
Not much, just looking dog. How are you?
Oh, just making a new tech video and just driving around my neighborhood testing this fucking product out. Why is there a random call here? This is really fucking sketchy. I don't know where the fuck I ended up, dog. I'm just driving nowhere. Well, yeah. I just needed someone to call me to test this out for me to stick it onto my head, but yeah, it kind of worked, I guess. But yeah, it's way better to just fucking grab your phone and just put it on speaker and put it on your lap while you're driving. It's probably more safer that way. Yeah. Yo, someone's riding an e-bike with a doggy. That's cool. Well, I guess I'll talk to you later then, dude.
Alright.
Yep. Alright, dude. Well, I'll see you Friday then.
Alright, see you Friday.
Yep. Alright, bye. Well, folks, that was that. What the fuck? That first go around, I don't know what the fuck happened really, but holy fuck, it is really hot in my car. I'm gonna actually switch cameras real quick so you guys know what the fuck I'm doing and kind of know what I'm talking about. But yeah, yeah, it kind of worked for the most part, but in my opinion, I say putting your phone, you know, on your lap like this and just being like, yo, what's up? That's just way better, you know? But I'm gonna like pull over real quick and switch cameras. Alright. I have now switched to my phone. I have a phone gripper, so I can actually, you know, usually I, you know, use the phone gripper, of course, to, you know, go and look at Google Maps and stuff to know where I'm going and shit. But yeah, I'm just driving around my fucking neighborhood and shit. Yeah, that was kind of wild. And also, I think the only reason why it kind of didn't work out at first is because if you can see me,
If you can kind of tell, I'm kind of like sweating and stuff, so it was probably slippery. It probably slipped out because of that. Other than that, though, it kind of worked out, though, for the most part. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna head back and just fucking edit this video. I guess this is the end of the video. Like, dog. I wanna know where the fuck that guy with his e-bike went, dog. Like, the doggy and the e-bike guy. Like, I wanna know. I need to show you guys, dog. That seems fucking creepy. I guess he fucking went home, but there was a guy on a fucking e-bike walking his dog. I don't know where he went. Anyways, yep, I guess this is the end of the video. So hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe and don't try to do what I did. That it's kind of horrible to do. So I mean, I guess for the most part it kind of worked out. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Remember, technology does not hurt. And see you guys next time.
1, 2, 3.